Friends, in this video we will solve 20 MCQs based on Research Aptitude. This is part 11. Before this, 10 videos have already been uploaded on this channel. The video will be useful to the candidates of NET and SET examinations. The question number 201. While assessing the attitude of administrators towards a women empowerment program, a researcher had no preconceived notions about what she might discover, and she continued interviewing until key themes emerged. Indicate the paradigm of research being followed. The options are ethnographic study approach, grounded theory approach, phenomenological study approach, and last one is case study approach. Friends, here researcher continues collecting data and analyzing data until key themes emerge, means until the satisfactory results are derived. This happens in grounded theory approach. So, the correct answer is grounded theory approach. Question 202. A shift in attitude in respondents between 2 points during data collection is called. The options are reactive effect, maturation effect, regression effect, conditioning effect. Friends, shift in attitude means change in responses of the respondents. When the data are collected twice from the same respondents by using the same tool, so the change in responses are seen without any reason. It happens. What it is called? It is called regression effect. It is also called statistical regression. The option number 3 is correct. Regression effect. Question 203. The time frame in which a study explores a situation is also called. Number 1, reference period. 2, age. 3, longitudinal. 4, retrospective time. The time frame is called reference period. Option 1 is correct in terms of this question. Question 204. A researcher uses both t-test and f-test on the same data obtained from two groups. The functional relationship between values of t and f, if calculated, would be. The options are t equals to f, number 2 t square equals to f, number 3 t equals to f square, number 4 t square equals to f square. Data are collected from two groups and t-test and f-test both are applied. Then which type of the situation out of these 4 will occur? So, the correct answer is t square equals to f. It happens always. Question 205. Names of different types of intelligence tests are given in list 1. Examples of questions are given in list 2. Match the correct name of the test to question. Set 1, vocabulary test, memory test, C, information test, and D, association test. Set 2, questions. 1. In what ways animals and plants are alike? Number 2, where is Taj Mahal situated? Number 3, what is the meaning of the word eventually? 4, what is the mobile number of your class teacher? 5, why are nights longer and days shorter in winter? The options are given in this way. Now see in set 2. Question 1. In what ways animals and plants are alike? Means it is associated with association test, this question. Question number 2. Where is Taj Mahal situated? Here the information is south. So it is information test. What is the meaning of word eventually? Simply, it is vocabulary test. What is the mobile number of your class teacher? Simply, it is memory test. Now see the option. Option 4 is correct. With A, number 3, vocabulary test. What is the meaning of the word eventually? With B, 4, memory test. What is the mobile number of your class teacher? With C, information test. Where is Taj Mahal situated? D, association test. In what ways animals and plants are alike? Now question number 206. A college librarian plans the purchase of books keeping in view the demand of different books among students. Which of the following measures of central tendency would be suitable for this purpose? Options are mean, 2 median, 3 mode, and 4 geometric mean. C. Librarian plans to purchase a book by keeping in view the demand. So he will order the book which has more demand. It means he will see the mode. Option number 3. Mode shows the maximum frequency. Question number 207. The main difference between laboratory experiment and field experiment is in option 1, precision in measurement of variables. Number 2, degree of control of extraneous variables. Number 3, use of data analysis technique. Number 4, application of research instrument. Friends, in laboratory experiment we can control the extraneous variable at the highest level. So option number 2, degree of control of extraneous variable is correct answer. Question number 208. An investigator wants to conduct a study to ascertain a progress of implementation of RTE Act 2009. Which of the following research tools would be most suitable for this purpose? Number 1, rating scale. Number 2, questionnaire. Number 3, observation. Number 4, sociometry. Researcher wants to ascertain the progress only about the implementation of RTE Act 2009. In such case, the questionnaire will be most suitable tool. Option number 2 is correct answer. Question 209. The major characteristic of correlation analysis is to seek out number 1, difference among variables. Number 2, variations among variables. Number 3, association among variables. Number 4, regression among variables. Correlation studies association. So answer 3, option 3 is correct, association among variables. Question 210. From the list given below, identify those which are called non-probability sampling procedures. Non-probability. Number 1, simple random sampling. Number 2, dimensional sampling. Number 3, snowball sampling. Number 4, cluster sampling. Number 5, quota sampling. Number 6, stratified sampling. The options are number 1, 2 and 3 are non-probability sampling. Option number 2, 2, 4 and 5 are non-probability. Number 3, 1, 3 and 5 are non-probability sampling. Number 4, 2, 3 and 5. See, simple random is probability, dimensional is non-probability, snowball is non-probability, cluster is probability sampling, quota is non-probability sampling, stratified sampling is probability sampling. So, the correct answer is 4, 2, 3 and 4. Dimensional sampling, snowball sampling and quota sampling are non-probability sampling procedures. Question number 211. The conceptual framework in which a research is conducted is called a synopsis of research? No. Number 2, research design. Number 3, research hypothesis. Number 4, research paradigm. Conceptual framework in which a research is conducted. So it is research design. Option number 2 is correct. 212. Which of the following is an example of a maximum performance test? Maximum performance test. Number 1, personality test. Number 2, projective personality test. Number 3, aptitude test. Number 4, interest and attitude scales. Here performance is asked. Performance goes with aptitude. So number 3 is correct. Aptitude test. Question 213. Two boys have an IQ of 120. It can be concluded that both have the equal IQ, 120. Both boys would be successful in high school and college. These boys have equal mental ages. The parents of both are above average in intelligence. Number 4, none of these is necessarily true. The option 4 is correct. None of these is necessarily true. It may happen or may not happen. 213. Now question number 214. Solomon's 4-group design falls under pre-experimental design, true experimental design, quasi-experimental design, factorial design. Friends, Solomon 4-group design is true experimental design. Option 2 is correct. Question number 215. Which of the following is appropriate to test a non-directional hypothesis? Non-directional hypothesis. One-tail test, two-tail test, both A and B. 4, none of the above. Friends, the correct answer is two-tail test. Null hypothesis is always non-directional hypothesis, and then we use two-tail test. In directional hypothesis, one-tail test is used. Identify the non-probability sampling techniques. The options are stratified random sampling, it is probability, systematic sampling, it is probability, snowball is non-probability, incidental is non-probability. Let us see the answer. A and B are correct, B and C are correct, C and D are correct, A and D are correct. The correct answer is option number 3. C and D are correct. Snowball sampling and incidental sampling are non-probability sampling. What are the parametric tests in the following list? See in the list. A, F test, B, T test, C, sign test, D, median test. And the options are A and B are correct, C and D are correct, A and D are correct, B and C are correct. Friends, here F test and T test, only 2 are parametric tests. So option number 1, A and B are correct. Sign test and median test are non-parametric. A PhD scholar conducted a study with a view to addressing the language problems of tribal children at elementary level. This study can be categorized is addressing the language problems of a certain group at elementary level. which type of the research it will. So option is action research, B is applied research, 3 is basic research, 4 is none of the above. See, in basic research, something new is found, theory, concept, formula. It is not being done by the researcher here. In applied research, local level problems are not studied, so it is also not there. It is action research. Option 1 is correct. 219. A study on the topic perception of tribal people about formal education comes under the type ethnographic, historical, experimental, ex post facto. Here perception is being studied of a particular group, so it is ethnographic. Option number 1 is correct, ethnographic research. 220. The size of sample for a study mostly depends on gravity of the population. Option 2, geographical area of the study. Number 3, homogeneity and heterogeneity of the population. Number 4, type of population. Friends, if homogeneity among population is there, then small sample is okay. If heterogeneity is there, then big sample we have to take. So the size of the sample for a study mostly depends on option number 3, homogeneity and heterogeneity of the population. Friends, in this way we have discussed 20 MCQs based on research aptitude. In next video we will discuss more MCQs. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.